Okay, so on page 425, Andy talks a little bit about why you want to include covariates in an ANOVA. So we did ANOVA over the weekend, okay? So ANCOVA is taking into account variables that can influence the dependent variable, what it is we are predicting. And so one of the reasons is we reduce error variance. So if I have two variables that are contributing, that both those variables influence each other, and both those variables have an effect on the dependent variable, or what it is you are predicting, then when I control for one of those variables, I get a better representation of my predicted variable or my dependent variable. The other thing that he talks about is confounding variables. So these are variables that are, as here it says, extraneous variables. So these are variables that we may believe influence the dependent variable, and so we want to control for them. So say, for instance, you are measuring leadership, but you believe that length of time in a position influences a person's leadership style. You can then control for time in their position and measure leadership irregardless of the amount of time that somebody has been in a leadership position. And so that's one of the advantages of ANCOVA. You can control for some of those things.